the old Wakefield Hospital. It looks like an old building, and they're pulling it down and replacing it for a new hospital. No! Oh dear, they even had some really nice lifts here. Now they're just gone. Oh well, so let's ride the lift before they get pulled out. Now for the first lift, which must be the public elevator. And I think this lift used to be a 60s Otis, now it's been modernised in the 80s by Otis. And it's got new Dewhurst buttons. I think it used to have old ones, then they got replaced. Let's ride it. Okay, so before we ride the first lift, which is an 80s generic, we must tell you that if you want to film these lifts yourself, make sure you tell reception first before doing it. Now, this is the lift at Wakefield Hospital. Oh, dare not Dewhurst. This elevator might be a generic. Oh, I think this is the passenger elevator. There is a bed elevator up there. We'll take this elevator only up to 3. And here's the lift. Wow, looks interesting. Oh dear, it's got a 3. Lightning, tiling, cam. Oh, it's an Amco. Even though down there it says it's an Otis. Looks like it was an old Otis modernised by Amco. What a crap. What a generic. Capacity 6 persons. It's maintained by Amco. I just hope they don't put any Amco elevators here. Here we are, 3. And let's get out here. Let's go. And that's it. And now to the next lift, which is just down the corridor. And I did not ride this lift, I only looked inside it. I think this was a bed elevator. Let's just take a look inside this to see if we can actually call it. So far, so good. We'll just take a look inside the lift, we won't actually ride it. Looks like it's an original Otis. Alarm. Here's a lift. And if you take a look inside here, looks like it was a modernised one. Lightning tiling. We'll go to another one, but that's it. And now to another lift up the corridor. I think this one was added later on, and it's got a red door going to the loading bay. And again, same details. And this one is a real elevator. And bed lift. Let's ride it. And weird thing is, it's got weird door stuff I've never pressed before. Let's ride it. Last time I came here, I think it said it was start running. Here's the lift. Oh wow, this one has a red door. Let's go down to 1. Lightning, tiling, cab. Capacity 250 kilograms, 30 persons. This is a nice old Kone with UK Dewhurst. Yeah, 1. And that side is staff only, so we're going to go back up to 3. That one lit up. Really nice. I think it's a old Kone. What weirdness. It's like the other one, except this one actually has UK Dewhurst, not normal Dewhurst. Like. Let's go out. Watch the lift close. That's it. And now it's the lift in the next building. And well, No! I can't get to this lift! The door's locked! Oh, dear, it must be a single door elevator. Now, let's look at the hospital before it gets demolished. First, let's go to the loading bay. And outside the loading bay, guess what the lift is?
Oh, wow.
Well, loading bay looks really creepy, except the lift isn't actually new. And I think the new building isn't actually new. And it's an Otis Gen 2.
Must
Looks
have
like
Otis
the contract
elevators
is
then.
Otis. That means new lifts might actually be an
Then.
Otis one.
That must be the elevator. Later. Oh well. It's only stopped up with an half-body car. I think this probably means the feature contract must be something like, oh yeah, I know what the contract could be. So the new building have an Otis Gen 2s. Wow. Even had that rare fixture. So I bet that's what the lift must have been. Well, that's it. And just look at that old little sign. Oh, this is just going to go soon. Wow. And just look at those old gates in the old front. You won't see any of this anymore. That's it. Oh, that's where it mentions the new hospital. Oh.